everyone, you are welcome to NSC504 Monitoring and Evaluation of Health Programs and Services class. I remain your facilitator, Dr. Elizabeth Joseph. Today we discuss steps in developing appropriate indicators for a project or programs. We have only one objective today, which is to describe steps in developing appropriate indicators for a project or program. First step is that you have to involve your program stakeholders in indicator development. That is, you bring stakeholders together to identify meaningful indicators. Remember, we said that indicators are variable that are going to be varied as a result of your intervention or as a result of your action. So you have to involve program stakeholders in indicator development that will help ensure the buy-in for your evaluation finding. Also, they will consider consulting existing literature and other relevant resources to assist with identifying indicator. The second step in developing indicator for your program involve review evaluation questions and use your logic model as a template to develop indicator. That is, you need to link process indicator to your logic model. Output link outcome indicators to your logic model outcome. That is the second step. The third step is review indicators to ensure they are specific, observable, and measurable. Your indicator must be specific, observable, and measurable. And now let's look at this example below. The proportion of gonorrhea cases among women 14 to 19 years of age interviewed within 7 days from the date of specimen collection. The specific issue there is gonorrhea cases among women 14 to 19 years of age. Observable is that interview within 7 days from the date of specimen collection. Then measurable, that is proportion of gonorrhea cases. When you look at this indicator, you know that it's specific, observable, and measurable. Include baseline data for input and outcome if you are trying to measure changes. For example, increase adherence of clinical staff to STD guidelines from time period 1 to time period 2. It has to be specific. You have to determine whether the indicator 1 provide useful information that can be measured, processed, and outcome and answer evaluation question. Determine whether the indicators are feasible in terms of data availability and timely data collection. You need to also determine whether the indicators are adequate to capture the information you need. You need to determine whether the indicator you may need to develop more than one indicator, but avoid creating too many indicators because they can distract from the evaluation goal.